You gotta have a lot of respect for these dealers. They are different. They do think different. Just because they're different from you though, doesn't mean you're better than them. At a minimum, just be equal with them. There's a thing called the golden rule. What's the golden rule? The person with the gold makes the rules. We're trying to sell to dealers. Do we want dealers to feel good or do we want them to feel bad? They can feel good. Who cares if they do things a little different than you? Who cares if they don't do exactly the things you want them to? If they're happy, you're gonna be happy. You just gotta kind of go with them a little bit. And when you truly appreciate them and you truly respect them, they can feel it. If you go and you check into a hotel and the person doesn't like you, can't you feel it? Like, oh, this person, what did I do? This person hates my guts. Why are they staring at me like that? Well, guess what? When you call a dealer and you don't like them and you think they're dumb, you don't think they could feel that? At a minimum, try and be peers with them. And when you start broing down with them, it changes the entire relationship. You know, even as a vendor, the majority of that I was kind of in retail because people would hire me to come in and sell cars or work the desk or train or whatever. The first time I became a true vendor, where I was like in an office building, I could not believe the disdain that the vendors had for dealers. It was always like, oh, these guys are so dumb. If they just listen to us, oh, they don't know what they're doing. You got someone that graduated college last week that's never been in a car dealership except to get their oil changed, talking about how the person with their name on the side of the building that's been there for 100 years is a moron, and if they just listen to them, right? You gotta have a lot of respect for these dealers. They are different. They do think different. Just because they're different from you though, doesn't mean you're better than them. At a minimum, just be equal with them.